Hey guys, it's Will and Fishing, and today we're here down at the Brisbane River, and today we're going to be fishing for a mixed bag, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm on. What is it? What is it? Big catfish. Anyway, we'll get him off the hook. Come on. What is it? Oh my god. That's a massive catty. Alright, hopefully we can get him off the hook. Alright guys, this is the catfish Miles just caught. Anyway, we'll get him off the hook. Alright guys, round's on. What is it? It's I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go down there. Some type of bream or something. No, it's alright guys, got the 30cm blubber bream. Let's release him. See you, buddy. There he goes. Yeah, swims off. Here's some more. Go on. On here. What is it? Bream. Oh my god, he's big. That is a huge bream. Oh. Calm down, mate. First one of the day. Nice bream. We'll get him back. Here he is, guys. 26cm bream. Let's release him. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more fishing content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.